batiin ng happy birthday sa'yo. Stay strong, stay healthy, at maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo. I love you. Ingat ka palagi at sana pagkita tayo, wag mo akong kutusan. Ayan. Libre mo na lang ng Jollibee, matutuwa pa ako sa'yo. Good luck. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Ayan, hello my loves. It's your day. Ayan, today is your birthday. Ayan, no, hindi ko nahabaan yung aking sasabihin. Baka kung saan pa tayo mapunta, charot. Magdadrama, ayan. Ayan, by the way, happy birthday sa'yo my loves. Ayan, I hope more birthdays to come and good health always and more candles to blow. Ayan, stay safe always kung saan ka man ngayon naroroon na lupalop. Sana all lupalop. Ayan, basta happy birthday, enjoy your day, and don't forget to thank you all the blessing that you receive from our guide. Ayan, once again my loves, happy birthday and God bless and enjoy your day.
First of all, I would like to greet you a happy birthday sa'yo. And I wish you more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And hope sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. Maging malakas ang pangangatawan mo. Tandaan mo lagi na nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Kagaya na nanyan ka lagi para sa akin. Na lagi mo iniintindi yung topak ko. So, ngayong araw na to, hindi mo na kita aawayin. Wala mo nang away. Magpapakumbaba muna ako. Magpapakabait muna ako ngayong araw na to dahil araw mo ngayon. So, sana lagi mong tandaan na mahal din kita. And sana hindi ka magbago. I wish you happiness always. I love you.